Well, how about another almost all Wilkinson Sword, all Walmart shave? Let's give this a go. Good afternoon, white shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome into the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. Slancha. This one is my buddy Ken Arsenault, who held a Scotch tasting event last night, one of which was Tomatin 12-year-old, aged in traditional oak and ex-bourbon, ex-sherry casks. Very entry-level price, great drink. This is also a New Orleans glass that he gave me. So we're going to go back and revisit the Wilkinson Sword TTO, loaded with a Wilkinson Sword blade. One use on it from the previous video. 3 ounces, overall length 4.5 inches. Going with the Wilkinson Sword Shavette, also loaded with a Wilkinson Sword blade. One use on it. Now I have used this in at least 2 or 3 other videos. Going with the Wilkinson Sword soap. This is a glycerin-based soap. I'm sorry, I don't like the dish stuff, but it smells, I don't know, it's just cheap soap. I don't like the smell of it. Kind of rather off-putting. I'm gonna follow up Skin Bracer. And the non-Walmart part is my Smogue 830 boar hair soaking in the skull. Going with our Thirsty Badger lather. So we have got our lather made up. Again, it's a very light soapy. It's kind of off-putting in my opinion. If I can find the scent notes online, I will list it, and I will definitely list the ingredients. It is glycerin, and I have very little experience with glycerin base. You seem to build up a decent lather, although I do find it dissipates quite quickly, both in the bowl here and in the previous shave. Hopefully not hit the mic, but I got this puck at Walmart Canada, where I live, for $5 Canadian. They do sell some, I believe, Badger hair brushes. I just didn't bother with it. It takes too much time to break in a Badger. So I just went with my Smogue 830, which I got on Amazon for a few years ago. For probably about 30 USD. So, Wilkinson Sword Shavette or Shavette, depending on how you pronounce it. 25 Canadian dollars at Walmart. I have a bowl in the sink so that I won't end up having to clear the drains. Very light touch, very shallow angle. And I may, just got myself. Yeah, I did too. Yeah. I felt it as soon as I did it. Shavettes are a learning curve. I'm much more comfortable with them now than I used to be, but still, it takes some practice. I don't bother with the width crossing against the grain with Shavettes. Extremely light touch. My buddy Red Island Shaver just did a video with these a few days ago explaining how to use them, and I will post a link. Take your time. One of my viewers mentioned that he bought one of these recently and cut in quite badly. Again, it's an acquired skill. It takes practice. It's only been relatively recently that I've got fairly comfortable enough to even go this far with them. I usually don't use them for a complete shave for that reason. I don't use them for cleaning up around my goatee. And although they look like a straight razor, most guys that have used these will tell you they are not a gateway into straight razors. Straight razors are a gateway into these. Once you get good with a straight, again, very little pressure. You get that amount of blade sticking out, and all it wants to do is cut you. Take your time. Do the flat surfaces. But overall, I actually did a nice job. Reapply our lather. I don't find it, obviously, like I said, it's $5 for, I believe it's a 4-ounce tub. I don't like the scent whatsoever. In a pinch it would do. The cushioning is, yeah, so. Slickness, yeah. It's just a case of trying it out, seeing what I think of it. Again, having very little experience with glycerin soaps. The handle, even though I'm a big guy, I'm 6'3". I don't like a handle this long. I don't find it particularly comfortable to hold the way I hold the handle. But at 3 ounces, it is a solid razor. Again, this one was $22.50 Canadian at the Walmart. I've also, the first one I had, I bought at Shoppers Drug Mart Canada. It's a Canadian pharmacy chain. Again, no residual slickness with that soap at all. Much, much better. Hey guys, from time to time I'm going to introduce you to other wet tubers. Guys and girls making videos, you know, they come at it from a different perspective and show you what they're doing too. So here's one now.
Hey everybody, how's it going? Cal Shaving, thank you for doing this, man, I appreciate it. My name's John Bonham. My YouTube channel is Cape Cod Wet Shaving. I've been doing this for a little under 2 years. Started the channel up maybe a few months ago. I love meeting people in this community. I do shave videos, just talk about stuff. You know, it's really kind of low-key, nothing major. But I would really appreciate it if you could, you know, check out my stuff, subscribe, do whatever. I would sincerely appreciate that. I'm always open to constructive criticism. I love learning stuff, so if anyone has any tips, I'd love to hear it. But please add me, subscribe, all that good stuff, and take it easy. Hopefully see you soon. Happy shaving.
We're back. Got it all cleaned out. A little bit of a weeper there. One there. And like I said, that little fairly shallow cut there. Insignificant. But overall, DFS on my neck, BBS on my face. To finish off, we're going to go with Skin Bracer Original. This is the 100 milliliter, so 4 ounces. I think I paid about $3 Canadian for this at Walmart. This scent, I do really like. It's kind of sweetness to it, and it's that classic, your dad, your granddad type scent. Love it. The one thing I do find with this is it's not a super strong scent. Alcohol based, bit of tingle. Oh, just a great way to finish up a shave. God, that's such a great scent. Yeah. So, Skin Bracer, original by Meridian. So, I think that's going to wrap this one up. So today you've got a mostly Walmart shave. We went with mostly Walmart, mostly Wilkinson Sword. Wilkinson Sword Shavette. Loaded with a Wilkinson Sword blade. Now with a second use on it. Wilkinson Sword TTO. Loaded with a Wilkinson Sword blade. Again, $22.50 Canadian. 25 Canadian. Wilkinson Sword soap, 4 ounce puck, glycerin based, $5 Canadian at Walmart. I didn't bother getting one of their brushes, but I just used my Smoke 830 more. Of course, Thirsty Badger lather bowl, but Skin Bracer.
By Meridian.
$3 Canadian. Don't care for the scent of the soap whatsoever. Not a big fan of the performance, but if you like that and it's your thing, go for it. You know, if you're in a rush and that's all you've got access to, go for it. Again, not something I like. Small weeper, no big deal. Again, shavettes are not a gateway to straights. It's the other way around. Get familiar with a straight. Yes, it's gonna be honed. Yes, it's gonna be stropped. You know, but they're more forgiving, much, much more forgiving than this is. That uses half of a DE blade. It goes in here. You know how thin these blades are? Take that with an unguarded edge. And like I said, it will cut you. And finally, Slancha. God, that's good. from my buddy Ken Arsenault, again, who hosted a Scotch tasting event last night. 6 different Scotches, 4 of them Tomatin, and he also had a Dewar's, and he also had a Great Grouse. So I went there with a buddy of mine. It was awesome. As you can see, bought this bottle this summer at the camper, so we've been going through it. So anyway, guys, thanks for taking the time to watch. We hope that I've been able to show you guys something. And you guys take care of yourselves, and we'll see you again on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.